x equals just 25. But how? Let me show you. Here's a challenge for you. Take a look at this equation. We need to find the value of x. Fractions everywhere, mixed numbers, decimals, and x hiding in the denominator. But as you just saw, it simplifies to a clean integer. Here's our strategy. We'll break this into 3 parts and then solve for x. So can you solve it? Pause the video and try. Okay, let's solve it together. Step 1. Let's simplify the left side numerator. We have 15.2 times 0.25 minus 48.51 divided by 14.7. Now just focus on the first part. 15.2 times 0.25. Think of it as 15 times a quarter plus 0.2 times a quarter. That gives us 3.8. Now just focus on the second part. 48.51 divided by 14.7. That's 3.3. Now subtract. 3.8 minus 3.3 gives us 0.5. Nice and clean. So the left side is just 0.5 over x. Step 2. Now let's tackle the right side numerator. This one looks scary, but we'll break it down. We have 13 over 44 minus 2 over 11 minus 5 over 66 divided by 2.5. All of that multiplied by 1 1/5. Now just focus on this division. 5 over 66 divided by 2.5. First, convert the mixed number. 2.5 equals 5 halves. Now dividing by a fraction means multiplying by its reciprocal. So 5 over 66 times 2/5. 5 over 66 times 2/5. The 5's cancel. We get 2 over 66, which simplifies to 1 over 33. And 1 1/5? Same rule. 1 times 5 plus 1 over 5. That's 6/5. So now our expression becomes 13 over 44 minus 2 over 11 minus 1 over 33, all times 6/5. Much cleaner. To subtract these fractions, we need a common denominator. The least common multiple of 44, 11, and 33 is 132. Convert each fraction. 13 over 44 becomes 39 over 132. 2 over 11 becomes 24. And 1 over 33 becomes 4. Subtract the numerators. 39 minus 24 minus 4 equals 11. So we get 11 over 132. Oh wow. 11 over 132 simplifies beautifully to 1/12. Because 132 divided by 11 is 12. Now multiply 1/12 by 6/5. The 6's cancel. 6 divided by 12 is 1/2. So we get 1 over 10, which is 0.1. Step 3. Now let's handle the right side denominator. We have 3.2 plus 0.8 times the quantity 5.5 minus 3.25. Remember, parentheses first. Now just focus on the bracket. 5.5 is 5.5. 5.5 minus 3.25 equals 2.25. Next, multiply. 0.8 times 2.25 equals 1.8. And finally, add. 3.2 plus 1.8 gives us exactly 5. Perfect. Step 4. Now let's put the right side together. We calculated the numerator as 0.1 and the denominator as 5. So the right side is 0.1 divided by 5. 0.1 divided by 5 equals 0.02. So now our equation is simply 0.5 over x equals 0.02. Step 5. The grand finale. Let's solve for x. We have 0.5 over x equals 0.02. To isolate x, we cross-multiply. X times 0.02 equals 0.5. Therefore, x equals 0.5 divided by 0.02. And 0.5 divided by 0.02 equals 25. And that's it. And there we have it. X equals 25. Beautiful problem, beautiful answer. Notice how all the messy decimals and fractions cleaned up perfectly. Every piece fell into place. Quick recap of our 5 steps. Decimal multiplication, mixed number conversions, common denominators, order of operations, and cross-multiplication, all leading to x equals 25. Ready for the next challenge? Here's another one. This time with square roots, mixed numbers, and nested operations everywhere. Try it yourself. This one also has a beautiful integer answer. Can you find it? Watch the next video for the solution. Thanks for watching.